Just a really quick one. I think the customer's actually just turned up, but I thought I would grab you quickly and just talk to you about this little job on this 1 series, because it's not the sort of job we do. It's a bit cold this morning, so I've got my hat on. Welcome, by the way, I need to calm down. Welcome to my little car channel where I tell you about the cars we've detailed. So this is a bit different. This is a 6-month-old F40 1 series, front wheel drive, that a good customer of mine owns, who also owns a company, has some reps. This was one of the reps cars, and it had picked up some defects. So not the sort of normal job we do, but one that I thought I'd just grab you quick and tell you about, because it showcases some of the other services we do. Hang on a sec, there's someone at the door. So sorry about that. My man for this car has just been let in and he's over there looking at all the other stuff in the workshop. Say hello, Ashley.
Hello, Ashley.
So yeah, I just want to talk to you quickly about this car because it's a little bit different to the jobs we would normally do, which you can see on the rest of the channel. The main thing about this was to make it as close to new again as possible. So it's 5,000 miles, about 6 months old, so it's ready to give to the next person. It had, the interior really needed a really deep clean and a deep scrub, which we did. And so the brief was really to spend a day, not to go too crazy on the paintwork or anything like that like we normally would. But to really just spend a day lifting the whole car as much as possible. And the other thing that was a bit crazy was all of the wheels had picked up some quite nasty curbing actually, and someone had actually had to go sanding, fixing them. So they all had to go to our friends at the wheel specialist. So have a look at the video, there's a video down there about their process they use for fixing wheels. These actually had some smart repairs as well, so they had to be stripped right back to bare metal, recoloured, put back on the lathe and have this diamond cut face recut, then lacquered and then put back on the car. So we did that. The interior needed more than a full morning actually, working out, and it's that lovely red, bright red leather. It picked up a lot of stains. The door cards had some drink stains and that sort of stuff on. And we've also, really on the detailing side, no cars leave here without having a machine polish. So machine polished the whole car and just really brought it back up to as close to brand new again as possible. So really quick, because the young man is here to pick it up, so I won't keep you too long. But just wanted to show you a slightly different job, which maybe showcases some of the other services we do. Because a lot of the videos, a lot of the cars we're doing these days are brand new cars, PPF, ceramic coating, not a lot of paint correction, those sorts of things, because they're a lot of the jobs we do. But this is something slightly different, which showcases the fact that we can also refurb wheels, deep clean interiors if necessary, although it's not something we often do these days. So yeah, hope you enjoyed this slightly different video, and I hope to see you again soon. If you're not subscribed, please do. Click the bell and all those things. Hope you enjoyed it. Drop us a comment. Maybe you want to see some more little jobs like this. Thanks very much for watching.